Welcome to our YouTube channel. Types of clamps used in injection molding. In injection molding, clamping refers to the process of securing the mold halves together and maintaining the necessary force during the injection and cooling phases. Clamps are an essential component of the injection molding machine, and different types of clamps are used based on the specific requirements of the molding process. Here are some common types of clamps used in injection molding machines. Hydraulic clamps. Hydraulic clamps are the most widely used type of clamps in injection molding machines. They utilize hydraulic cylinders to generate the clamping force required to keep the mold closed during the injection process. Hydraulic clamps offer precise control over the clamping force and can handle a wide range of mold sizes and weights. They are also relatively quick and efficient in terms of mold opening and closing. Toggle clamps. Toggle clamps, also known as mechanical clamps, use a mechanical linkage system to generate clamping force. They consist of a pivot point and a series of links that create a multiplying effect to achieve the desired force. Toggle clamps are generally less expensive than hydraulic clamps but are suitable for smaller and lighter molds. They are often used in machines with lower tonnage capacities. Electric clamps. Electric clamps, also known as servo-electric clamps, utilize electric servo motors to generate the clamping force. They offer precise control over the force and speed and are known for their energy efficiency. Electric clamps are quieter and require less maintenance compared to hydraulic clamps. They are commonly used in cleanroom environments or applications where precision and energy savings are critical. Pneumatic clamps. Pneumatic clamps use compressed air to generate the clamping force. They are typically used in smaller injection molding machines or applications where lower clamping forces are required. Pneumatic clamps are relatively simple and cost-effective but may not provide the same level of force control as hydraulic or electric clamps. Magnetic clamps. Magnetic clamps are a specialized type of clamping system used for certain types of molds. They utilize powerful magnets to hold the mold halves together. Magnetic clamps offer quick mold changeover times and can be beneficial for applications that require frequent mold swaps or low-tonnage molds. However, they are not suitable for all types of molds and may have limitations in terms of clamping force. It's important to note that the choice of clamp type depends on various factors, including the size and weight of the mold, required clamping force, speed and precision requirements, energy efficiency considerations, and the specific capabilities of the injection molding machine. Thanks for watching.